This is a multiple string ring knot that Nate Wald showed me at a braiding class in Oklahoma City last fall. I determined the middle of these two long buttons here, and I buried these strings through two strings of the body in this V, where I wanted the middle of my ring knot to be. Both of these strings are about 9 inches long, and I've run them underneath there and got them where they're about middled and tipped all the ends. So now I got to work all these strings where they go down, and you'll notice that this string on the right, when it goes down, is hair up. This string, if it goes down, will be flesh up. So I want to take my pliers, and this string on the left, I want to roll it around to where when I work it in this downward direction, it's hair up. Out of these other two strings, you can see this string on the right is hair up. This one would be flesh up. So we've got to roll it to where it is hair up. So now basically we begin tying this button by working each string over one like we would in a Turk's head. Work it over one, the next string will go over one, the next string will go over one, and the last string will go over one and back down through the first string. Get all these kind of snugged around here. Now the second step, we'll work these strings back up, and they'll all go under one. You'll notice as this string goes under one that it stays just toward us or to the left of where this string comes out of the body. The same with all these strings, just to the left of that string. The last string will poke up to the left of that and go under one as well. Snug all these up. Now going back to our right, we'll take a string and it will go over one and under two, just this side of where this string is the string that comes out of our body. The first string we run will be over one and under the two. The second string, you'll notice, will go over that first string we ran and will be over two and under two, coming out in the same place of our ring knot here. So this string will go over two and under two, coming out just this side of where that string comes out of the body. And our last string will go over two and under two. At this point, I usually take my pliers and I'll snug these 4 strings around. I'm not too worried about getting them tight just yet. Just fairly snug. Then we've got to work these strings back up. Now if we go under 2, where this string will go over 2 and under 2, you'll notice that it comes out just our side of where that string comes out of the body. And that would complete the button. But I like to go under one more. Basically, this is the under 2. I like to sneak around to the right of that string where it comes out of the body and go under one more. And when we run this first string, it's only under 2. But when we go this string over, it basically goes over the 3 strings and makes this string that we just run get buried under 3. So we would be under 2 to complete the button, around to the right of where that string comes out of the body, around to the right of it, and under one more. Under 2 to complete, around to the right of that strand, and under one more. And our last string will run under the 3. And there you have a multiple string ring knot buried in 4 different places on the body, and when you get that tightened down, it's not going to go anywhere. Great foundation to tie another button over, which is what we're going to do here.